Good morning, students. Let us study our English. Today we are going to study our Oxford book. Which page? Page number 46. We will going to learn spellings. Okay? Open your 46 page number. These spellings I have already teach you. DGE and TLE. One more time we will revise. SLUDGE, sludge. BRIDGE, bridge. BUDGE, budge. WEDGE, wedge. BADGE, badge. Then SETTLE, settle. BATTLE, battle. CATTLE, cattle. BOTTLE, bottle. STARTLE, startle. Okay, this is already I have done. I have revised today. Okay, next we are going to read this first word. You will listen and you will learn the pronunciation and say. And RAG, rag. You will write RAG, rag. Next, WAG, wag. WAG, wag. Next, SAG, sag. SAG, sag. Next, STAG, stag. STAG, stag. Then BAG, bag. BAG, bag. Okay, again say RAG, rag. WAG, wag. SAG, sag. STAG, stag. BAG, bag. Next, RAGE, rage. RAGE, rage. Next, WAGE, wage. WAGE, wage. Next, SAGE, sage. SAGE, sage. Next, STAGE, stage. STAGE, stage. Next, baggage. BAGGAGE, baggage. BAGGAGE, baggage. Okay, again we will read RAGE, rage. WAGE, wage. SAGE, sage. STAGE, stage. BAGGAGE, baggage. Understand? You will learn these spellings. Now we are going to read. Not only read, we are going to write our cursive. Okay, let's do. You have already learned A, B, C. Now today Today you are going to learn how to write capital letter D. Okay? Look here. This is your 4 line. And what you have learned? This is capital letter A. Okay? This one B. Understand? Then C. Maybe this C, or you have learned 2 more types of D. This one. This will be another type of B. Or this is another type of C. Okay? You have already done. Now today you will going to learn how to write capital letter D. Okay? This is your 4 line. Okay? We will write in between 1, 2, 3 this line. And from here top you will write, bring a line up to 3rd number line. Then turn it or curve it like this. And touch the 3rd line, then bring it on the top and here. This is D. Again you see one slanting line, then curve it, then touch the 3rd number line, take it up, and this become a D. Again you see this is a D. Okay. Next. This is one more type of D. You can practice whatever you feel easy. Okay. Same way from here you bring it to the 3rd line. Then turn it. Touch the 3rd line. Take it up on the top line and just put this line inside. Okay, this become another type of D. Whichever you feel easy, you will try this. Okay, see here again, like this, then this, then this. This is a D. This is a D. Okay. This is also correct. This is also correct. Which one you feel easy, you will practice. But in your cursive book, this one is given. First, you practice that one in your cursive book. Next, now handwriting practice. Last, you have done 2 words. What are that? That 2 words are A-N-T ant and B-A-T bat. You know how to write cursive letter A. Then from here you write N. Then T. Okay? This is ant. Then this is B. Then from here only A. T, bat. This you have already practiced. Now today you are going to practice new word. Okay. C-A-P, cap. and B-A-B-Y, baby. You will write C. This is your C. From here only you will write A. And from here, like this, you will write P. C-A-P, cap. And again you see, this is our C. Then A. Then P. C-A-P, cap. Okay? Next. B-A-B-Y, baby. You know this is a B. First you write a B. Okay? Then from here you write B-A. Okay? Then cursive small letter B. B-A-B-Y. Baby. Again. This is your B. Then from here A. Then again small letter B. Then Y. Baby. These two spelling you will practice in your copy. Understand? So, today's teaching over, student. Learn the words I have given and practice the cursives. Okay? Thank you.